What's going on, guys? Welcome to a trade recap for today, the 29th, Friday. Guys, these last 2 weeks have been some of the best trading I've had all year, and I'm super excited to get straight into this. Guys, all of these trades were alerted in the Discord server this morning, and I also live trade on Twitch every single morning. As always, all that stuff is down in the description. And we are still, today is our last day where we're running a sale for the VIP Discord mentorship. So check that out if you're interested. But let's just hop straight into this, shall we? As always, replay to 9:30 a.m. market open. Go ahead and check on news today. We barely had anything. We had an 8:30 a.m. red folder. And then we also had this 10 a.m. orange folder, but I really only look out for red folders, so there pretty much wasn't anything going into today. We also have Labor Day on Monday, so a little bit of a longer weekend because market is closed on Monday, but pretty much always going on to the hourly or the 30-minute time frame, marking out my zones. 3 zones I had drawn out today was this high all the way up here. This area from pretty much the entire week we've had this zone drawn out, and then also this area down here from Monday night. But we go on to the 1-minute time frame. There we go. And we look for a setup. Now, since we opened up inside of my range or inside of this zone, and we were kind of ranging a little bit coming into open, you can see if we zoom out, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We were chopping around a little bit. I really wanted to see us push below this zone to really look to take a short setup. If you didn't have this area drawn out, you definitely could have taken a bear flag short setup right here, and it would have looked something like this, and you definitely would have hit TP on it. I personally just wanted to see us get below this zone first before, fully switching to wanting to take shorts. So that's exactly what happened. We ended up closing below our zone here and then show a lot of momentum to the downside right over here as well. Guys, also, I'm going to include the live trades or this live setup at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around for that. Anyway, perfect bear flag started to form right here, and then we got our entry right there. Now, this setup was slightly, Jesus Christ, sorry. Pullback was pretty steep. However, this was still a perfect setup. Now, the one reason that I really like this setup, on top of it being a really nice bear flag setup, was that we pushed below our zone here, retested it right here. You can see barely we retested it and then instantly showed rejection out of it, just furthermore confirming my bearish bias and, things like that. Now, this was a 32-point stop loss, so we were a size smaller on it. Now, anytime my RR is negative, meaning my stop loss is greater than 20 points, I'm always targeting 30 points as my first TP. I move my stop loss to break even at 20 points, but I always target 30 points as my first TP. So 30 points hit right there. Then we move stop loss to break even. 40 points ended up also getting hit on that same candle. Then our full TP is obviously always going to be 60 points. That ended up getting hit here. Boom. I was done on the day here. Full TP. One trade is all we need. I've had really one of the best weeks that I've had all year. This week and last week, like I was just explaining a couple minutes ago. This trade was over in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. We actually ended up hitting full TP on this thing in 7 minutes. And I was up so much on the week. This was very bearish, and there was a lot of opportunity to get short setups. Even right here, there was another great bear flag setup. Breakout, you take your entry probably somewhere around there. Probably be about a 30-point SL. 30 points hits, then 40, and then 60 points. Actually, might have got stopped out, break even. But then another short setup appeared once again right here. You could have taken a short on this bear flag right here. Once again, TP just hit on that. So many great opportunities to take shorts today, guys. Everyone in the Discord was up on shorts today. We were going absolutely crazy in there. I just took this one setup and called it a week because I've had a really great week. Just wanted to end off on a good note. We hit full TP. That's about it, guys. If you're really more interested in learning this strategy in depth, the Discord is the place to go to. Also, I have a YouTube video on it, which you guys can view that I posted a couple weeks ago. But that's going to be it for me, guys. We have a long weekend, so enjoy it. I'm probably going to upload some kind of video this weekend. Not completely sure what it's going to be just yet, but do look out for one. With that being said, I'm about to play the live entry from this morning. So be just sure to watch that just in a second. And make sure to check all the links in the description. Follow me up on everything. But I appreciate you guys as always. little quick trade recap for the day. And I'll see you guys all in the next video, which should be coming out this weekend. Peace.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a stab at shorts here. It is I'm size pretty small on this trade just because it is a big risk sell, but I like it. I like how we literally tap back into that zone perfectly and rejected out of it, and then also just broke this flag with some momentum. I'm in at 93.25.
This is a clear shadow supply long.
All right, well.
Yo, do you believe in shadow supply?
I mean, it definitely works.
Mm.
I'm targeting 30 points on this as my first TP. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even at 20 points, but I'm targeting 30 points as my first trim just because I'm size small and that TP1's only a 0.6 RR. So that's something I've been doing recently to kind of make up for smaller RRs, but I'll move my TP to my stop loss to break even at 20 points. But overall, just really bearish on the day right now. So just playing with this downtrend. Had a nice little pullback here, tap back into our zone, rejection out of it, momentum through that flag. Everything lines up. Pretty bearish 5-minute close there. So all right, 20 points hit. I'm moving my stop loss to break even here, but I'm not trimming until we get to 30 points, which is at 63.25.
Order filled.
All right, just got hit. TP1 there at 30 points. 40 points actually just got hit there too. I didn't even get filled on that. I didn't even manage to get my orders in. That TP's at 553.25. 553.25. Limit buy. All right, I didn't get filled on that just because that pushed down so quick. I have my stop loss at break even though. We should be able to push back down there and get filled on that. Hopefully. Damn, that shit happened too fast. We hit 30 points, then 40 points literally instantly right after. So technically 40 points did hit.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. 40 points just hit on that. Full TP is down here at 60 points, guys. At what is this? 33.25. 33.25 is our full TP.
Order filled.
Oh shit! I'm actually so stupid. I just accidentally closed down my whole
My fault,
position.
chat. I was in the bathroom, but that was an absolute fucking banger.
I accidentally just closed my whole position right there, but I literally just fat fingered my fucking keyboard and clicked my hotkey. But really good trade on this, guys. We're up 50 points right now on it. But have this order set for 60 points because it looks like it wants to hit. Yo, anyone chat take this? Guys, we got a bunch of muted mollies in here right now.
Yes,
and we're about to hit full TP. Like, come on.
I'm still in it.
I'll pull you out.
My 60 points is at 26.75.
Alert this in Habibi's trades.
No, I think it's fine.
Alright, but I'll just keep it track in the
yeah.
in a different chat. There we go.
Wait, Nando just said he passed the combine. Thank you. Let's go, dude.
Today?
Good shit.
Oh shit.
Just from that, I
Make
think.
sure to post. Make sure to post that in profits.
Let's go. But yeah, guys, we have our full TP down here. Stop loss at break even. Great trade, man. But yeah, a reason I didn't take this short up here, some people are asking in the Twitch chat, was just because we were in this hourly zone still. So we were in this hourly zone that we've had pretty much marked out almost the whole week. And I wanted to see us get below it first. But it was a great setup. If you took it, obviously you would have hit. And we just banked on this.
Bro,
one
there's
right
another
here,
entry
so.
for shorts right now. Who knows?
Yeah, another short setup
That's
forming
true.
right here. I'm not taking it just because
Yeah.
I would still technically be in this.
It's about to hit 60 points. Why do I have 300 ping? What is going on?
Wow, this is what we love to see right here, chat. Nice price action.
The one day Habib's not on A.
Yeah, he would have loved this. I don't even know what he's doing. I was really on the phone with him last night, but he didn't say anything about having to do something today, so something definitely came up last second. But
The hell you can put
Bro.
images on your chart?
I'm 4 points away from 60, dude. Cooked. Oh, there you go.
there we go.
60
60
for me.
points just
There
hit.
we go. Full TP hit.
Full TP.